Hi everyone, and welcome to this new rounded video where we will create an n8n automation for once, so not a make automation but an n8n, and the goal of this automation will be to notify you whenever an important event occurs. So in this example, I will connect my Slack account. So whenever an important event such as an emergency or whatever you want occurs, a message will be sent to my Slack channel. But of course, I use the Slack, but of course you can connect your favorite messaging app such as Discord or whatever you want. But in this example, it will be Slack. And so let me introduce you my agents. So you will see that it's a very simple example. It's just to show you how easy this automation is. So basically, it's the secretary agent for a tech firm, and the emergency. So the important event will be an IT emergency. So to show you, there are two variables. So the first one is urgent, and this variable will take the value true whenever the user says words like emergency, outage, urgent, so all this vocabulary of the emergency. And there's also a variable emergency description. So as it's written in the title, it will describe the emergency of the user. And this variable will be sent to the Slack channel. So basically, whenever there's whenever the variable is urgent is true, this variable will be sent to my Slack account. But you will see that in the n8n automation. So let's create the automation together. So first you need to add a webhook. So to notify, it's the first step of your automation. Whenever an information is sent to this webhook, an n8n webhook, the automation will start. So first so it's a post method here, and you need to copy this n8n URL. So you copy it, and in the global settings in your rounded agents, you will configure the webhook. So here you click here and you paste your link here, and you need to choose which events you want to be which events you want your engine to send during the webhook post. So here you want event post call, but you can choose many more. In this case we want the variables, so this one is very good, and I suggest you to choose only the variables that you want to be sent by your webhook call, and not select all, because it will overload your scenario, and it will be maybe too costly to your make or n8n scenario. So I choose this one. And by the way, if you want to check which events, which webhook events you want to send, there's in the documentation parts that explain every different type of events that can be sent by the webhook. It will be in the description, of course. So now that my webhook has been pasted here, we need to try to send all the information to n8n. So let's provide a call to my agents. So let's go talk to agents, start call.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have an emergency.
I understand. Let's address this as quickly as possible. What is the name of your company?
Rounded.
Thank you. Could you briefly describe the problem you're experiencing?
Yeah, I can't connect to my account.
I see. When did this issue first appear?
It appears this morning.
Thank you for your report. You mentioned an issue that started this morning related to not being able to connect to your account. We'll forward it immediately. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. So as you can see, this agent is really basic. It's just an example. But after the call, the webhook post has been sent to my n8n, and so there are many informations. But what we are interested in is the variable is urgent, so true, because I've said is it's an emergency, and the variable emergency description that is here, and we have a description of my emergency. So this part has been set up, and all the variables that we have here can be used during the n8n scenario. Now we'll add if here, so to only to send a message when the variable is urgent is true. So let's find the variable that has been configured in the last step. So our variable is here, so you need to take so here's the variable is urgent, so you take the value here, and it must be equal to true, so here, and also you need to test step, and the node executed successfully because it's true, as you can see. And now, so in the true branch, you need to add your Slack account, so Slack, and it will be in send a message here. So I've connected my Slack account, but I encourage you to do the same. So it must be a message, operation send message to, so in my channel, dedicated channel that I've created for this test. Message type simple text message, and message text will add our variable, but you can provide also some text, but in our case we only need the value of the variable. So here, test step here, so it should, as the variable is urgent is true, we should have received the message on my Slack account. Let's see, and as you can see, the message has been sent successfully to my Slack account. So as you can see, the automation is really easy. We've made it in less than I think 5 minutes, and it's really easy to do. So I encourage you to try it on your side by yourself, and the scenario will be posted in the description in a Notion, so it will be available for you. But as you can see, it was really easy to create. And if you have other make or n8n scenario that you want, where you want a tuto, let me know in the comment section, and see you soon for our next automation. It was a pleasure, and bye.